Hey, Premier Wealth Builders here. I'm Lois, and I see where we achieved something here. It says on our YouTube channel, you're in the top 5% of creators. Oh my gosh. I think maybe we can help you at least check it out. We're at Premier Wealth Builders YouTube channel, and we've got a lot of advice and strategies for real estate investing that could help you, I don't know, move to the next level, whatever level you're on right now. Maybe you're just beginning. We got something for you there. And maybe you've been investing for a while, but you could use a new strategy. Like, who knows? There's buy and hold. There's the 7 fastest paths to cash in real estate. You can choose to do Airbnb, get information on that, or information on ADUs, flipping, wholesaling, every kind of thing in real estate. So visit our YouTube channel, premierwealthbuilders.com, and make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Take care. See you soon. See you over there. premierwealthbuilders.com YouTube channel.